Hi everyone, my name is Oscar Drucker and I'll be teaching the Java Basics course at the Chatham chapter of CSBase this year. To start off, what is Java? Java is a high-level programming language that is object-oriented and class-based. This means all the data and code is stored in objects, which are created and defined when you create a new class. In our Java Basics course this summer, we'll just be using one class, so you don't have to worry about creating different classes. This is Java is pretty similar to Python if some of you are familiar with it. Just that the code that you write in Java needs to be part of a class as opposed to Python, where you can just write code and run it. In the real world, Java is most popularly used in these client-server web applications, such as Spotify, Twitter, financial services, and many more that we'll discuss and give examples of in the actual course. Now, some keywords to know as you get into this class that will be discussed when we start the course. An IDE, an integrated development environment. In our course, we'll be using an online IDE called Replit. We'll be making accounts on the first day of the course. This is where you actually write the code and run it. Next, a method is a set of statements that perform specific tasks. You can call methods in the Java main method, or you can call methods within other methods. Next, variable. This is basically a container for data. You give variables a type and a name. In Java, the syntax is you put the data type and the name, and then an equal sign will set the value. For example, storing an integer value of 5 as the number of apples here would be int apples equals 5, and in Java, all lines need to have a semicolon. Lastly, camel case. This is just a naming convention that eliminates the needs for spaces by changing capitalization of words. This is very helpful for when we have to define methods or variables that just can't be defined in one word. Like this example, saving the number of lockers as a variable will just be num of lockers with the first letter lowercase, and then every following word in the name would be uppercase. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all in the course in a few weeks. Thanks.